Just got this from eBay for $19. Let's open it and see what it is. Let's start the video. Back again. Let's open this and see what it is. I kind of know what it is. This is a humidifier. Cost $19 from eBay. Yes, it is. This is a white color one, and they got them in black and blue. Costs 19 bucks. This is 1000 millimeter. 1000 millimeter. So I think it is 1000. Okay, let's open it. Let's see. Really nice, and it's supposed to have LED lights. Yeah, it's supposed to go like different colors. I guess it doesn't come with what do you call it, a wire to plug it in, or maybe it's battery. Let's open it. Oh, actually it does have the wire. That's the wire for it. This is the cheapest one you can find on eBay. On Amazon, this thing is $60. I found it on eBay for $19. I'm gonna fill it up, turn it on, and see how it looks like. So I'll be right back. I fill it up with water. It's got the measuring. I think that's the top you can put on. Let's fill it up. Okay, so I'll put this much in there. Okay, let's go start it up and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back again. The water is in. Let's put, I bought this from the store actually. This is the smelly stuff for it, the oil. It's supposed to put like what, 2-3 drops. Let's see. I don't know how many drops you're supposed to put in there. I'm gonna pack it up more. You're not supposed to put that much. Okay, so it smells so good. This one is what do you call that? Honeydew. So I'm gonna mix it a bit. Let's see how this thing works. Okay, I'm gonna close it. Close like that. No. Oh no, it doesn't want to close. Oh, it's got to. You have to put it in and churn it. Okay, this thing's supposed to go different colors. Let's try it. Okay. Ooh, red. Okay. Oh, green. Now it's gonna go green. I guess it changes color. Oh, it's Luna. I think I turned it off. Oh, now it's on. I guess let's wait and see what it does. Supposedly steam's supposed to come out. Just the front of it. You can see down here if your water is low and stuff. Mine is full right now. Wow, you can even see the inside if you guys can see. Even this at nighttime is colored. I'm gonna turn the lights on and let's see if the lights off. That's with the lights off. Now the smoke is coming out, if you guys can see. See that smoke is coming out from the top? Now it's got the steam going up. You guys can see that? Now it's changing colors. It's full running now. And my house smells like honeydew. It's amazing. For $19, worth every penny out of it. You have pets and stuff. This thing would take all the smell away. And it's supposed to be good for you if you buy the mint stuff. They have the actual herb stuff that for health is good. This is organic, the one that I got. It cost me $6 for one bottle. I bought 2 of them and you get 1 free. But you can order them online, it's cheaper through Amazon. But this thing through Amazon is very expensive. It's better to order from eBay, it's way cheaper. Amazon, I told you guys, around like 60 bucks. Bought it from eBay, $19, and it came in within 7 days. Yeah, 7 days I got it. Let's turn the lights back on. So yeah, this is it. This is Humidifier. Let me show you guys the box. This is the name. That's looks like 1000 millimeter. 1000 millimeter or 1000, yeah, 1000 millimeter water this thing takes. So 1000 millimeter, it will last you for probably 9 to 10 hours running this, because it doesn't, it says it's on the box says 12 hours, but I don't think it's gonna last 12 hours. Okay, this is it. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Please subscribe, like, and I see you guys again. Thank you for watching. Stonemaster.